Called Chris Said Atchoo. Wrote this during time off from work. Um, about like about a year ago. There it is. I'm probably gonna mess it up, but I'm not ain't no slam poet or rapper. but okay. The Chris Said Atchoo. The wind was all stable at the picnic table. The lizards, Earth's booze, who always appeared and shooed, ran around like a petting zoo. Through the Kentucky grasses blue, Chris said, "I chew." He gave the thing he sipped a grip, opened the tip, and with a way that skipped, he let out his chewed drips. Against a minor breeze, he accompanied his splashes with a fake-sounding sneeze in order to tease his sisters with ease. No doubt his chews were loud. No doubt his bottle drips found the ground. Needless to say, he was Atchoo bound. Hey, at least the flowers didn't drown. Yeah, it's Chris Said Atchoo. And fucking read it to my therapist. Time off from work. And, yeah, and so.